How to make videos in HeyGen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learning Lane. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of video creation using HeyGen. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things content creation. Let's get started. First, you need a HeyGen account. Then type heygen.com in Google search. Then click on the first link to enter the website. Then you have to click on Create Video from the top right corner. But here you need a credit to create the video, which you have to buy with money. Anyways, now directly click on Create Video. Now you'll see many avatars here. Select an avatar of your choice. Now here you have to give the scripts of your desired video. You can use ChatGPT or various AI websites to write scripts. Anyways, I'll paste my script here now. Now you'll see the play script written here. Click on it and this video will start giving voiceover. It'll animate when you have credits. So here you'll see that the avatar animation is available after submitting. I'm clicking the submit button here. After clicking here, it says not enough credits. So I can't save it because I don't have enough credits. You've just created an amazing video using HeyGen. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.